Welcome back. My colleague Raj Kamal Rao spoke to Mukesh Mohan Gupta, director of Dena Bank, and tried to get the banker's perspective.
Mukesh, now the bill expands its loan ambit to MSME sector. What kind of impact that is going to be on the MSME sector, sir?
See, earlier SIDBI was only for the small scale sector. That is within the bill. So what SIDBI was doing, whenever they wanted to extend the credit to any other sector, whether it's an MSME or any other sector like infrastructure, entertainment, they were taking the instructions or approval from the government for financing those things, in fact. So it's not that the SIDBI is doing, SIDBI is starting this thing for the first time. They were doing it with the approval of the government. Now since MSME Act 2006 is there and SSI has already gone up, so I suppose it's very good initiative of the government that SIDBI should be giving the loan to all MSME sector. So it will be a good thing for the industry.
Sir, is there any scope for entrepreneurs to grow and get more investments from the SIDBI Bank with the proposed amendments in this bill, sir?
MSME is very important sector, in fact, which plays very important role in the overall growth of the country, overall growth of the economy, Indian economy. So funding to entire MSME sector, and with the initiative of MSME Ministry also, to bring this MSME Act. So I suppose it will be a very good initiative of the government, and it will definitely encourage the entire enterprise, because you see various activities like service sector is there. So earlier SSI was not covering the service sector. So because now service sector will also be within the MSME definition, so funding to that MSME will definitely encourage the service sector as well.
Okay. So the securitization concept is already existing, SIDBI Act is already in place. Now the SIDBI can allow third parties to convert their mortgage properties into their assets. What is the kind of impact that is going to be on SIDBI with this?
No, see, as far as Section 29 of SFC Act is concerned, or Section 13 of Securitization Act is concerned, under both these things, banks and financial institutions were taking care of the securities mortgaged by the promoters or the third-party security also. They were allowed to, take the possession of the securities, whether it's related to the industrial concern or whether it's of the promoters or the third-party properties. But what happened, I suppose this problem arises because of some decision of some High Court, where it was decided that only Section 29 talks about only the industrial security, and the third-party security or the securities of the promoters was not to be taken over under that Section 29. So this amendment is definitely, I don't see any reason not to put up this amendment, in fact, because what happens, in fact, when any promoter puts his industry and he gives his personal security also, so definitely the security is security. So whatever securities are there for the to secure the loan, in fact, bank should have the powers to securitize it.
The bill